How to add video in Shopify Product Page. Well, that's what I'm going to show you guys in a super quick and easy tutorial. So if this video is helpful to you, then please let me know in the comments or leave a like so I know it was actually helpful to people. So there's actually three options which we can do. So the very first one is to, here in the media section, add a video. Now, this is very limited, and in my opinion, it doesn't always look really good. The second option is to embed a YouTube video inside of your description. And then the third option is inside of your website theme editor. So that's the one what I'm going to show you guys first. So if you go to your product page over here, then this is how it will look like. Now, what we can do is here add a section. And then we can actually search for video, just like that. And now we have added a video here right under our product. Now currently, it will just show a Shopify video. And what we can actually do is we can either add a URL of the YouTube video, but I do not recommend this because there's a better way to add YouTube videos, which I'm going to show you later. But this way you can easily add a video from your PC. So here we can click on select video. And here we can actually upload our video and then select it right over here. Now we can also drag this all the way where we want to if we would like that. Now I'm going to show you guys how to correctly embed YouTube videos in your product description. Now I'm just simply going to use a random video on my channel. So for example, this should be fine. So if, let's say this is your video which you want to embed, you want to scroll down and go to share. And then here you want to click on embed, just like that. Now this is how it will look like. Now what we simply want to do is copy all of this. Now we can also change the start time to, for example, 1 minute and 15 seconds, for example. Then it will automatically, or then it will start at that time. But I'm just going to leave it at 0 and then copy all of the code. If you need Shopify, but you're not sure yet, or you're already enjoying Shopify, or you know somebody that needs Shopify, what you can do is bring your ideas to life for €1 per month. So what you can do is go to the link in the description or the pinned comment under this YouTube video and sign up for a free trial and enjoy your first month for €1. So grab the deal now before it is gone, and yeah, good luck with your store. Now that we're in this page, we want to go to insert video. Here we want to paste it in just like that. Click on insert video, and there we go. We have now inserted the video. But currently, there's two things which a lot of people may not like. One, it does not autoplay, and two, the audio is still turned on. Now, if you want to enable autoplay and mute the video, that's what I'm going to show you guys right now. Simply click over here on show HTML. This will give you this right over there. Now, the very first thing which you want to do is go to the end of your URL. So this is the actual URL of the YouTube video, as you can see. Now you want to go over here, and then you want to click the N sign on your keyboard. And then you want to type in mute and then equals 1. Now this will actually mute the video. Now we also need it to autoplay, right? So we want to go to the N sign again, enter auto, play, just like that. Then once again do equals and then 1. Now that we have saved it, this is how it will look like. It will automatically add and amp and then this over here. That will automatically do that, but that will just fix it for you. And oh, it actually is already playing in the product editor. But now I'm going to simply open up the site just like that, and there we go. It started auto playing immediately. Here is the mute button as well, and that's actually exactly what we want. Now currently it is already lined up correctly for me at least, but there's still a lot of black bars, so we can actually change that as well. So if I just close this page, then I'll just go ahead and edit it again. I'm going to open up the show HTML, And here we have the height and the width. Now, in this case, since for me it actually already lined up perfectly, if that isn't the case for you, I believe you can change the width to 500. This should actually line it up perfectly. I think so, yeah. Yeah, I think it does. But we want to get rid of those black bars. So this is kind of a guess. There might be good tools for this to do this really accurately, but I'm not completely sure how. But I'm going to simply change the height to, for example, to 50. Then I'm going to save this. I'm going to click on preview. And this already, yeah, it already made it look better in my opinion. I'm going to change this to 200. Then click on save. Then click on preview. And yeah, as you can see, there's very, very small black bars still. You can go very detailed and do it pixel by pixel. Or if you know a better tool to do this, then you can do that as well. But this is pretty much how it will look like. And yeah, that is pretty much it. So that's how to add video in Shopify Product Page.